Hello friends, welcome back to PictoBlocks tutorial 2. Let's open PictoBlocks. Here we are going to learn many more things in the PictoBlocks. Let us see, click on the My Space option. Click on the plus icon. Here we are going to add new different types of code. Let us see, this is our PictoBlocks window. First step, we have to add here one backdrop. So select one gallery option. One more time you click on that, you will get pencil. So here I will select one backdrop, whichever you like that you can select. So now I will select here one backdrop, that is bench. The first backdrop I want to delete, so I will delete first backdrop. Go to back, and here we are going to delete this previous sprite. So click on the sprite option, you will get delete. So we can delete our sprite. Now here we are going to select many different types of sprite. So click on the sprite option, and here we are going to add different types of sprite. So here in this window many different types of categories are given, like animals, people, fantasy, dance, music. So whichever you like that you can select. So now here I will select one John. And if you want to select one more sprite, so again you click on the choose a sprite option. Choose a sprite option, and here we are going to add one more sprite, one girl, and we can adjust the position of two sprite. Okay, now here we can add different types of code for both sprite. First of all, we have to click on the first sprite. So I will click on the first sprite, and here we are going to add different types of block. Let us see, click on the event tab, and here different types of events are given. So whichever you like that you can select. So I will select here a green flag, and next I will select here many different types of block. So let us see, here we have to add different types of block. Click on the look option. Here we can add different types of option. So I will select here one block, that is say block, where John will speak to that girl. John will speak hello. So on the same time, after 2 seconds, that girl will speak. So click on the girl, and here we are going to add again one event, that is when green flag clicked. Click on the looks option, and we are going to add one more block, that is say hello. So if we will click on the green flag, that John is speaking, and with that girl is also speaking. Only we have to add here wait command, because after John that girl will speak. So click on the control block, and here we are going to add wait command. So after 1 second that girl will speak. Right, that John is telling first hello, afterward that girl is replying hello. So like this way we can add many different types of code here. So first again go to the first sprite, and here we can add the different types of block. Now here I will add wait command, and instead of 1 second I will add here 2 second. Means after 2 seconds that John will speak again. Go to the looks, and here we are going to add one more block, that is say. Instead of hello we can change here text. Hey, how are you? I will add here text. Yeah, here I have added one text. Hey, how are you? So go to the second sprite. So here that girl will reply I'm fine. Again here we are going to add one block, that is wait command. So add here wait 3 seconds, and here we are going to add say command. So that girl will speak I'm fine. So just cut the text, and here we are going to add one text I'm fine. So like this way that two sprites will speak to each other. Let's click on the green flag and we will check. Right. That John is asking, hey, how are you? That girl is speaking, I'm fine. So like this way we can add many more things in our program. Let's see. Here we can add many more things. We can make our program beautifully. Let's see. Click on the backdrop option, and here we are going to add the code. So click on the green flag. Here we are going to add this green flag, and we have to click on the looks option. So here we will get many more options. So I am going to add here one option, that is change color effect. Change color effect by 25, and this command I want to add in the forever block. So go to the control block, and here we are going to add the forever block. So this change color block we are going to add inside the forever block, and this block we have to attach here. Okay, so now we will click on the green flag and we will check what will happen. Right, whenever we will click on the green flag, at the time that both sprites they are communicating with each other, and with that we have changed effect of our background. We have given effect to our background. Now let us see how to save this program. So on the title bar, last fourth option is given, that is save option. We have to click on the save option. So here we have to type our project name. So here I will type PictoBlocks. So like that you can give any name to your program, and I will save this program. Click on the tick mark. So here one more dialog box will come. We have to click on the save option. So like this way we can save our program in PictoBlocks. So our program is saved, and we can go back again, and here that option will come, that is exit, and we can exit our PictoBlocks. So here you can see your program is already saved, that is PictoBlocks. If you want to open program once again, so you can go to this option and you can click on the PictoBlocks, so you will get the same program. So my dear students, in this video we learn that how to communicate with each other, how that both sprites will communicate with each other, and here we have added one background effect also, and we have seen how to save and how to open our program. So let's see one more time the output of this program. Yeah, in this way we can create many more program in the PictoBlocks. So I hope you may have understood this PictoBlocks program. Thank you and have a nice day.